Welcome back, server owners and players. Today we are releasing NSR-AI 1.3, a major UI, UX and context management update. In this update, we've introduced several improvements to both the interface and daily AI message usage. First, we've added 3 new buttons: Edit, Stop, and Regenerate. The Edit button allows you to modify your original message sent to the AI. The Stop button immediately stops the AI response. The Regenerate button generates a new response for the same prompt. When you send a message, you will now see status indicators like analyzing and preparing, so you know the AI is processing your request. After each AI response, you can also see the context percentage remaining. This shows how much of the conversation memory is still available in the current session. When the percentage gets low, it means higher API usage and potentially reduced context accuracy. Additionally, we've added the IA add-on command and IA add-on less than add-on name greater than to list available add-ons and view detailed information about each one. Alright, let's jump in and try the new features. This is the Edit button. When you click on it, your original message will be displayed in the chat for editing. This is the custom status message, like analyzing or preparing, which lets you know that the process is in progress. And this is the Stop button. Use it anytime you want to instantly stop the AI's response. See, this is another Edit button at the end of the AI response. This is the Regenerate button. You can click it to generate the AI response again. And this shows the context percentage left for upcoming chats. Let's test the Regenerate button. Once you click it, you'll see different options such as Default, Creative, Concise, and Cancel. If I select the Simple and Direct option, the AI gives a clean and straightforward reply. You can see the result right here. Let's try the Stop button. I've sent a message, and as soon as I click Stop, the AI response stops instantly. But remember, it only stops from the plugin side. Token usage continues. Now let's check out the NSR-AI chat save, resume, and delete system. First, I'm going to send a few messages so you can see how everything works. Now we'll save the current chat. After saving, a confirmation message will be displayed to indicate that the process was successful. To begin, we'll clear the cache. This will initiate a new chat session. Let's try the chat resume function. I'll type AI chat resume, and you can see the saved chat name appear. When I run the command, my full past conversation loads back exactly as I saved it. Now I'll continue chatting to verify that the resume function is working correctly. Now we will run the chat save command with same chat and you will see that it will show that chat is saved as checkpoint 2. Let's clear the chat session first. Now when I type the resume command, you can see options like 1 and 2. These are checkpoint numbers. If I select 1, it resumes the first checkpoint. And if I don't choose any number, it automatically resumes the latest one. Let me type the chat list command. As you can see, it displays the saved chat names and how many checkpoints each chat contains. Let's try the chat delete command. Once I type it, you can see the chat name appear. From here, I can either delete the full chat or select and delete a particular checkpoint. Now we'll test the context feature along with the auto summary mechanism. The context limit is set to 100 tokens. The system monitors token usage as a percentage of the maximum limit. Once the threshold is met, it automatically summarizes earlier messages to reduce token load. This maintains conversational context efficiently without excessive token usage. Now we'll configure the auto summary limit for the API key. This value represents the trigger threshold based on context usage percentage. When the remaining context falls to the specified percentage, the system initiates automatic summarization to preserve chat continuity and optimize token usage. As you can see, the auto summary was triggered after I sent a message. Now I'll disable it. By typing AI API key auto summary projected off, you can turn it off for a specific project ID, or use all to disable it for all API keys. To check the API key details, type AI API key info ID, and it will display all configuration information. Now when I send a message, the auto summary does not trigger. Now let's open the feature.yml file to configure the global API key context settings. Now let's go here. You can see the global maximum context tokens. This setting applies only to the global API key, not personal API keys. If you change the value, it works the same way, and the percentage is calculated the same as in the personal API key system. Below that, you can turn auto summary on or off, and set the percentage at which it should trigger.